Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Health for All. I am Dr. Arijit Banerjee, and today in this video we will know 10 ways to improve the fatigue from IBS. One of the top non-digestive symptoms those with IBS patients struggle is fatigue. Fatigue can be described as tiredness, lack of energy, or a state of exhaustion. While fatigue is not a direct relation with lower GI symptoms, it is commonly found as a symptom in large number of IBS patients. So today we will know the 10 ways to improve fatigue in case you have an IBS. So keep watching and subscribe the channel to get the latest scientific updates. So here are 10 actions you can start taking now to deal with those issues. Number 1, check your blood levels for any micronutrient deficiencies. Many deficiencies including iron, B12, vitamin D can result in decreased energy levels and feelings of fatigue. You should get the blood work done every year and talk to your doctor about the changes in your energy levels. Number 2, improve your sleep routine. Your sleep wake-up cycle influences your circadian rhythm, which is the body's internal clock that impacts energy level, hormone balance, and digestion. Go to bed and wake up at constant times, ensuring that you get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Number 3, support your mental health. Stress can lead to fatigue and IBS symptoms, so it's important to find your ways to lower stress and support your overall mental health. This can be done through a variety of self-care practices as well as with a mental health professional. Cognitive behavioral therapy, that is CBT, is used in many cases which have a direct target IBS symptoms and fatigue. Number 4, rest your brain with meditation. The brain isn't meant to be full of thoughts, worries, or to-do lists. The practice of meditation allows your brain to still, which can support your hormone, focus, energy levels, and IBS symptoms. Number 5, make sure you are eating enough. If you are undernourished, your body won't have the calories needed for optimal energy. You might find that you are limiting your carbohydrates or overall calories due to your symptoms like weakness or lethargy. Talk to your dietitian. Make sure that your body is supported with enough nutrition and your IBS symptoms should be under control. Number 6, balance your meals with optimal energy. This goes with eating enough but comes down to the flow of energy throughout the day. Pair your complex carbohydrates with fiber-rich vegetables, quality protein, and healthy fats. This will support your blood sugars and help you to focus as the days goes on. Number 7, focus on healthy fats. Healthy fats, especially omega-3s, support your brain and hormone balance. You can include omega-3s via a supplement or with fatty fish. You can get the other healthy fats from nuts, seeds, olives, olive oil, avocado oil, coconuts, and lot of others. Number 8, move your body often. Movement increases your blood flow, reduce stress, and helps to improve your energy level. This doesn't mean you put in few hours each week at gym, but instead that you move your body every day in ways you enjoy. Wake your body up with the yoga flow, go for a walk on your lunch break, and hit the gym after work to build muscle. Number 9, manage your time. If your schedule is always full, you find that you are constantly working, stress and rush, you will likely to experience more fatigue and mental exhaustion. Take time to actually plan your weeks and schedule time for the activities for your self-care. Improve your overall energy levels by planning your task to avoid constantly switching your focus between different tasks. Last but not the least, the very important, work with a dietitian to manage your IBS symptoms. Studies have proven that improved nutritional levels, especially vitamin D, vitamin B12, and omega-3, reduce the stress caused due to IBS, as well as support overall digestion and nutritional absorption. Improving microbiome improves hormone balance and mental health. So, I hope this video was helpful to make more sense and why fatigue is common for those with IBS. I hope this action help you to see improvement in this area. Subscribe the channel and leave a comment if this was helpful to you. Take care.